Morning. It is Tuesday, June 17th, and today is my first physical therapy appointment. I think this is an evaluation, and I'm really excited to help strengthen my neck muscles and get some range of motion back that I lost after surgery, and I'm looking forward to this. I brought my helmet and my neck restraint so I can show the therapist what my big goal is and why I'm doing physical therapy. So hopefully this works out. Yeah, sometimes I like.
Let's have you sit up for me next. And relax. I'm gonna do 10, so 10 tens. And I'm gonna grab a band real quick.
Okay, so that was fun. Super glad that I opted into doing that because I definitely have some noted muscle weakness post-operatively. So got some exercises, and now we're gonna get back. Nice strap.
Thanks.
Hello. So as you can see, I made it to Seattle. My flights went really good. Caleb is staring at me and making my little video right now, but as an update to flying, I used to always, after going up and down elevation, my head would go whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And I thought that was normal.
Put a video on. We got work to do.
I learned that just in December that not everybody experiences that. So it was a good run as of 6 weeks. Ow, my ear. But anyways, everything went good. So we're hoping for a great weekend here in Seattle. Crewing with Caleb.
We are in. We're in Everett, Washington for Hotwheels Monster Trucks Live. It's fine. Everything is fine. It's fine. It's okay. You're gonna learn some stuff at Monster Truck Show, not knowledgeable stuff. Oh, hi.